Okay, so double fist. So in the last exercise, we're giving me nice grounding. We were over-engaging and then opening gin and nothing's happening. We're pulling away too much, nothing's happening. And then we find the gap between in leading the intention out and entering the gap. So now this time, we go into that gap and we have a direct line into the unconscious. So we put an intention, say heal. And we just let the unconscious go into a state of healing. Now, if you look at his eyes, that REM movement started, the blinking, the flickering on the top of the eye. And once we have that, we just amplify it. You may want to do this with a bench or a chair behind so you can sit your partner down and do it for several minutes. And then slowly bring them back up to the body and then close the doors, reground your partner. Let's say we do it again with a different theme. I engage, I find the gap, I open up, and I might use the theme of spiritual freedom. And then it's more in the mental body. What it does, it frees the person from ideas that are holding them down. And when you do the spiritual freedom frequency, open the crown right up as you do it. You can hold that for a few minutes and reground your partner again. And you may use let's say a person just had an emotional event happen in their life. You can engage, get them open, and then have the frequency of emotional freedom. And you're in the astral body, and just spreading the astral body out and letting any emotional burdens release themselves from the person. And you want to have a direct line into the unconscious mind and through the feeling of the energy as you do this. And then close all the doors, reground. Have a thank you from the heart when you close off, so there's a good feeling. Depending on the environment you're in when you do this exercise, you may want to have a massage table or a chair where they can sit down, relax, be able to lie down on a mat or something, so that you can extend that session out for a much longer period of time. But just do 1-2 minutes each on different themes like that with your partner. Have a play. Okay, thanks.